Hi guys, it's Melody Lane and it's mystery box time. Let me show you what's in it. If you like shiny things and bling, you're gonna love this box. There's lots of adhesive foil. Look at the colors in this one. This one includes teal, coral, pink, dark silver, and pink champagne. And look at the colors in this one. You get gunmetal, gold, champagne, bronze, and silver. Both of these, there's 5 sheets of 12 by 12 in each one. Adhesive foil is just like vinyl. It has adhesive on it, and you can cut things out and weed them and use transfer tape to transfer them to your project. Make sure you use the correct setting, adhesive foil setting. And there's more! You get red coral and copper. 48 inches of each, so you get 4 feet of each of these. Glitter vinyl. Look at those pretty colors. You get gold black, like a light blue. Kind of matches my bangs. A purple, I call that a Melody purple because it's one of my favorite purples. And you get the hot pink. Oh, look, it matches my hair. And silver. So that's 6 sheets of 12 by 12. If you like gold, here's 4 feet of gold glitter vinyl. Remember, when you're using glitter vinyl, use the setting for glitter vinyl. That's not all. You want some iron-on? We have iron-on designs. These are awesome for babies. It says, I need a nap in the middle, and then turn it over. And it says, let's sleep in and sleep. These are so cute. You can put them on onesies or you can use them for shirts for yourself. Fun pillowcases, pajamas, whatever you want. Here's one that says love. You could make a shirt, a pillow, a tote bag, denim jacket, anything you can iron onto. And this one, I think this one would be so pretty on a pillow to put on your bed. Love you more. Isn't that just so pretty? I think this would be a beautiful pillow. And here's one more. Isn't that pretty? That would be a beautiful pillow too. Or on a t-shirt or a tote bag. This could be put on so many things. All of this comes to $29.99. And if you add a few more things to your cart and get $50 in the subtotal, you can use my code ML10 to get 10% off and free shipping. Have you tried that brushed cardstock? There might be some other new items on the Cricut website. Make sure you look around. There's 40% off iron-on. There's 40% off cardstock. Check out the sales, guys. There's lots of sales, so add a little bit so you can get that bigger discount, and then you don't have to pay for shipping. Remember, if you have excess, you get another 10% off. All right, guys, love you, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.